acorn tumbled and rolled, splashed. It fell into the pond, oh dear. A loach came out and said hello. Little boy, let's play together. The rolling acorn was so happy. He played together with the loach, but he realized he missed his mountain and started to cry, worrying the loach. As the rolling acorn was crying, his good friend, a little squirrel, came by, wrapped him in a fallen leaf, piggybacked him, and hurried to take him back to the mountain.